If your inflammation markers are not high, MPO, Plaque 2, etc., after taking a low dose of Crestor, can you discontinue the Crestor as long as you stay in lifestyle trends and routinely check your risks? First of all, I don't recommend statins unless you have plaque. Now, a whole lot of us, especially by the time we hit, the boomers, especially 65 and above, most of us have some level of plaque. You didn't feel it when that plaque happened. You could say, well, a lot of people have gained and then lost 30 pounds, and they say, well, I'm not going to go there again. I've never been overweight. A lot of people have never been overweight. But once we start getting into our, late 50s, early 60s, mid 60s, aging tends to be the number one cause. Despite the obesity epidemic, aging tends to be the number one cause of insulin resistance. And insulin resistance, in turn, is the number one cause of cardiovascular inflammation. The bottom line is you can't feel it, you can't predict it, you're taking your chances if you go off. I will say this, when I'm seeing patients, I understand I delayed taking my own for about 3 years before I finally bit the bullet. But, after developing plaque, I think it's risky to go off of them. The other thing is, I don't think that you need LDL levels of statins. Lipitor, 40 milligrams, I don't ever use that. I only use a couple of different statins, rosuvastatin and pitavastatin, or Crestor and Livalo. And I used low doses because low doses manages that cardiovascular inflammation. You don't need the high doses that it impacts LDL level. Winning is exciting, but you know what? What you're winning matters even more. How about the chance to win another couple of decades of life? Healthy life, understanding the cause of heart attack, stroke, dementia, the major killers and disablers, and how to prevent those. You can win these courses to do just that. How do you do that? Click the link below, watch the video, answer the questions, and the more you answer right, the better your chances of winning. Give it a try. Win things like free courses that can save your life.